We are about to start a room renovation project here in Saranac Lake at Adirondack Medical Center. 2 floors of patient rooms, our medical and surgical floors. 35 rooms in total will be renovated.
We just donated $100,000 to Adirondack Medical Center, which was very fun for me just because that is a place that my family goes to as well. So it's nice for the community to give back.
As part of the renovation process, we replaced all the windows, new insulation on the exterior walls. So there's a lot of building infrastructure that needs to be upgraded. Getting these renovations done is super important to the organization.
We chose Adirondack Medical Center because it's a very large vocal point of the community. Having the Adirondack Medical Center in Saranac Lake saves people driving east, west, and south an hour to the nearest hospital.
We are a small community hospital. It's a big challenge, but we have a really supportive community. Everybody uses Casella. I use Casella. My neighbors use Casella. Up the street uses Casella. We use Casella. You know, you are part of our community.
We do quite a bit of recycling, and Casella is the best in the business, and we've been very happy with that relationship.
We have very great working relationship. They have recycling and trash services with us. So hopefully food waste soon, but yeah, we've worked together a long time.
Adirondack Medical Center has been around since 1997. We've had a partnership with them throughout the years that's become very strong. Over the years, it's just blossomed into this beautiful thing.
We can't do what we do without many partnerships. The corporate partnerships that we have with the likes of Casella help us execute on these projects.
Adirondack Medical Center is just one of many, a few dozen, probably 3 or 4 dozen different entities that we help. Last year, the Plattsburgh Hauling Division had over 2,600 hours in volunteer time. We led the corporation in volunteer hours. So that's something we're very proud of in Plattsburgh.
The project is in the millions. We're thankful for the very generous donation from Casella, and it'll go right into the rooms.
It's expected at our division to be involved with the community. The community is what brings us what we have, and we just want to put back into the community.